So, ito pala yung cook, guys, for the day. Mamaya na daw kakain si Guapa. At kakatulog niya lang daw. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano yung niluto niya, guys, for today's video. Ayun, may pusa. Hala, yung cravings. Nilagang baboy! Hala, kasarap. Ito po ang aming laundry area dito. Isa! Okay! May lumabas na pusa. So, 5:30 p.m. Ayan po yung view, guys, sa terrace namin. Puro building. Ito yung mga labahin. Hi, everyone! A day in our life, day off as an OFW here in UAE. Ayan, kakain na kami, guys. For today's cravings. Oh, kasarap. Sabi ko,